the people were asleep in a little house. Then the burglar alarm came on in the night. And then they had to wake up and see if the burglar had arrived, but the burglar wasn't there. The burglar was hiding. So then everyone went back to bed and then slept, and then the burglar alarm came on again. And then it was really strange around that town because the burglar alarm came on every house except the burglar's cave.